Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Brandy Alexander. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of heavy whipping cream, 1 ounce of brown creme de coco, and 1 ounce of brandy.
And that's it?
That's it.
And that's it.
Now we're going to add ice to our shaker tin, and we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. Don't overshake this, otherwise you're going to end up with some ice cream. Just FYI. We're going to put this in a mini coupe glass. We are going to double strain. And then for our garnish, I'm just going to use this card to cover up half my cocktail, and then I'm going to sprinkle nutmeg over half of my cocktail, just to make it fancy. See? Blow away the excess. And there we have our Brandy Alexander. Of course, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate the cocktail. 1 is I would have 1 drink and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we're going to land today. I'm going to go on the non-nutmeg side. Just have a feeling it's going to be a little funky.
What?
Fine, I'll go on the nutmeg side.
There you go. Do half and half.
Half and half, right down the middle. Oh, interesting. I can definitely see how this is a dessert cocktail for sure. So it's definitely got that like creamy, like ice creamy consistency. Definitely more cream forward than I was kind of expecting, even though it's like 1 of each. In my opinion, I could definitely stand for just a little bit more sweetness and just a hint more of the chocolate. But it's a very, very good cocktail. It makes sense for it to be an after dinner cocktail. It's light, it's creamy, chocolatey deliciousness. For me, just because, like I said, I think it could be a little bit sweeter and I think that there could be a little bit more chocolate, I'm going to give this one a 3 out of 5. Solid cocktail. Obviously, it's a classic, but 3 out of 5 for me. Of course, I want to know what you guys think, so the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build it right at home. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.